there another pandemic looming in the distance? Did the first world's neglect of Africa cause the virus to spread across the world? Will the world have to pay for the mistakes of the West? We are talking about Mpox, or monkeypox as it was previously called. While the virus was first discovered in 1958, the first Mpox case was recorded in 1970 in what is now the Democratic Republic of the Congo. So how exactly did this decades-old disease come to the brink of turning into a pandemic? The answer lies in the detection of a new strain of Mpox called Clade 1 Mpox. This new variant transmits faster and its symptoms are much more serious than its older variant. And in 2022, this new strain started spreading across the world, despite repeated appeals from African researchers for global investment in prevention tools for Mpox. When news about its global spread first broke out, the world had just come out of a pandemic which disrupted life as we knew it. This unfortunate timing caused global panic, as was evident from reactions on various social platforms. But when you look at this closely, the West's neglect of this disease might have just transformed it into a pandemic, which was hitherto avoidable. For decades, the West treated it as an uncommon infection in rural Africa, unworthy of its attention and assistance. But the moment it started being detected in countries like Pakistan, the Philippines and Thailand, there was a visible surge in research about Mpox and its prevention. More research has been produced since April 2022 than in the last 60 years put together. This is also not the first time that this has happened. The West has routinely neglected several diseases in third world countries like West Nile, Zika and Chikungunya viruses. Returning to Mpox. The emergence of this new strain can be attributed to the waning of smallpox immunity. The viruses that cause smallpox and Mpox are related, as they belong to the same virus family. According to virologists, the smallpox vaccination would have prevented the Mpox epidemic. However, after smallpox was eliminated and vaccines discontinued, the frequency and intensity of Mpox outbreaks increased. Interestingly, the US and some European nations have initiated maintenance of stockpiles of the smallpox vaccine. The Indian government should also start working on reproducing the smallpox vaccine, as Mpox has also breached its borders on September 10. The Mpox outbreak is proof that a disease in one corner of the world can suddenly become a global health threat. It is time for the global health system to wake up to this reality and start paying attention to third world nations. Bureau Report, India Today Global.